201500862, State of Arizona versus Stephen Jones. Mr. Jones is present with defense counsel, Mr. Davidson. Mr. McGowan, state is represented by Deputy County Attorneys, Mr. Barker, Mr. Shea. All members of our jury are present. Mr. Foreperson, I have been informed that the jury has indicated that you do not feel that additional deliberations or assistance will help you in reaching a verdict. Is this correct?
That's correct.
All right. And I also want to make sure that it's placed on the record that after we gave you the instruction, you in fact did go back and review the evidence, asked for the exhibits back, and did spend a few hours going back over it. Is that correct? All right. Thank you, sir. This court is therefore going to declare a mistrial in this case. I'd ask the attorneys to waive the 60-day rule. I realize that resetting this case has to be done in 60 days. I also understand that getting all of the witnesses back together may take some more time. So what I'd like to do, though, is I know that I have 3 full weeks beginning the 1st of August. I'd like to go ahead and set it for that day, understanding that that date would be probably subject to continuation. But it is outside the 60 days. I do know that I have 3 full weeks, so I'd ask the parties to let me set it on August 1st, starting at 8:30 a.m., and also set it with the understanding that that date is likely to change. Mr. Davidson.
Your Honor, Mr. Jones is willing to waive time, and with the court's comments regarding possible rescheduling in light of conflicts, that should work.
All right. Mr. Barker.
That works for the state as well. Thank you.
Members of the jury, I'm sure, well, I have to imagine that some of you may feel disappointed that you are unable to reach a verdict. But please don't feel badly about this. I want to make sure you understand you didn't fail. We all selected you because we believe that you are people who would stick to the courage of your convictions and honor your oath to do that, and you did. And for that, we are very grateful for your service to all the parties in this case and to our county. You are discharged. It will be the last time you hear me speak about the admonition. The admonition is now lifted. You are free to talk to whoever you wish, or if you do not wish to speak to anybody, then let Cheryl know, and I will make sure that your wishes are honored. I would like to, and I hate to ask any of you to stay. Please feel free if you want to leave. But I would like to come back and personally thank you for your service on this jury. And I will be there in just a few minutes in this case. So those of you who wish to wait, I would be honored to be able to say thank you in person to you. Those of you who want to get on home, that's fine too. With that, you are discharged. We are very thankful for your service, and the admonition is now lifted. For jury selection, current release conditions are affirmed and will remain the same. I will probably set this for a status conference sometime in June. Carrie's away now, and I just want to have her come back, and we'll see where we are and what's happening at that time. All righty. Mr. Barker, Mr. Shea, anything from the state at this point?
No, Judge, thank you.
Mr. Davidson, Mr. McGowan.
From the defense, Judge.
All right. Thank you, folks. We stand adjourned.